Hey, what's up guys? It's July 7th. It's a hot one. Had some crazy heat. Went through a bunch of rain a couple weeks ago and now it's crazy dry. So I'm working on irrigation. Josh is heading out with a cultivator. Got another tractor hooked to a fertilizer spreader over there. I think Dan's over here in the shop. Working on the combine. Yep, you can see it over there. We got a little bit of wheat to harvest when it's dry enough. Ours is a little later than most, but just quite a bit going on. Detasseling season's gonna start soon. Chase and Adam are both spraying at the moment, so we're gonna go check a gasket on a pivot. Got one spraying a geyser up. So anyway, we'll show you what that's all about and keep going on with my day. If you look around here, you'd think there's an auction going on. Like everything is out of the sheds. But that's our seed picker there. John Deere's coming to check a few engine things out, just make sure it's ready for the season. A bunch of stuff just sitting over there and pretty much an empty shed. Planters and dump carts and random things in there, but it's one of the tasseling machines right there. It'll probably start running here, I don't know, another couple days, but it's got cutter pans on it. So driving back here, let's check on the irrigator. All right, so here's the pivot that's got a leaky gasket. And yes, I'm driving in a bean field, but you won't know it in another week. It's only a decent way to get out there. But it's out here on the third span, and it just was shooting geysers straight up in the air, so we gotta try to figure it out. The local Valley dealer doesn't have a part, so I'm gonna see what I can do here. We made it to the pivot to check it out. So the problem is, there's a rubber gasket supposed to be in here, and as you see in the top here, it's gone. Bolts are loose. So what happens, it fills with water and it just shoots water straight out. So we'll have to take a forklift and payloader, lift this all up and try to install a new gasket. But right now they don't have one, so they had some universal, so we're gonna try that. But I'll do some video and show you guys what's up with that. But it's kind of a warm day for this kind of project. Seems like that's how this always goes in irrigation season, or as we call it, irritation season. Well, we kind of succeeded a little bit. What do you think, Dan?
Better.
Better, yeah, better. Okay, we're gonna move on. Well, that could have went better or worse. We succeeded to lessen the leak, but we definitely did not solve the issue. But good enough for today. I wanted to just show you a little bit of our biggest system, irrigation system on the farm. It's a Zematic. 15 towers, it's a full half-mile long. It's got a corner arm, operated by GPS. You see here, it crosses this ditch via the cement bridges. It's ran with 3 12-inch wells of 60-horse electric motors. There's the first one, and then down the line up ahead, you see a couple more, but it's all ran on public power. There's a transformer up that way that does it, but super efficient system. It can put out 3,000 gallons a minute, which is a lot of water. It waters about 480 acres, and it can do it in just a couple days. So it's pretty neat, fun to watch. But yeah, I just came up here to check it out and see that side of the field's a mile long, and so is this one. So we have tomatoes and some soybeans over here, little commercial corn way over in the corner, and then this side's all seed corn. It's a 310-acre field of seed corn. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that. It was a good excuse for me to hop in my truck and cool off. It's 95, so it's hot. I'm not used to this hotness. But hey, I got my hat on, staying cool, keeping the sun out of my face, keeping my wife happy. So anyway, I think we're gonna go try some wheat. my hand at wheat farming. We're combine, though we just have a little 9-acre triangle here. It's just for border control because there's a seed field over there. And so we're just cutting it now. We're gonna actually use a lot of this for cover crops for this fall. So we do quite a bit of that, but it's not a bad job to have today. So yeah, we're gonna knock this 9 acres out. My dad's coming to help me move here a little bit, and we'll grab our semi. We got another 17 acres that we have same deal. It's borders all the time, and we're trying to avoid putting beans on beans, and so we put some wheat in the rotation. We only have about 32 acres, so not a lot, but kind of something fun to do on a house like that. What's up, guys? We got rained out from cutting wheat. Got all our other stuff finished up. I decided to call it a day. So I headed east, and now that's what I get to enjoy for the evening. Definitely worth the commute. Gonna put a little gas in the boat and go out and have a little fun.
What's up, guys? It's Farm to Live.
We're going to do some wakeboarding. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up.